have a collapsing health system. We have scandals all over. Perhaps they may have used the day to hand over our airport to Adani. We have scandals now in the judiciary. And there was no reason as to why we should have continued with this process of impeachment if it is not a diversionary tactic that is being used by William Ruto. Unfortunately, again, we have seen the level of violence across the country and called for including attacking a young man in the name of MORARA just because he showed up at the BOMAS. And what we are now witnessing is really a clawback of all the gains that we had. We saw this during the 2007 difficulties that we had in the country. It started this way, slowly, violence before elections, that ended up with post-election violence, where we lost over 1,300 people. William Ruto has set this country again on the long path. He is setting up one community against another. And if you ask me, he is really keen on lynching the Mount Kenya community.